May kodigo ako. Thank you. First time I heard I'm a Tristan. Sabi ni Deo, congratulations, 3-star ka na pala. May dating pa rin, Deo, no? So, thank you. So, I am Vel Consul, sabi nga po ni Al. Ayaw ko i-elaborate kung paano niya ako introduce. Sabihin mo na lang, I'm 69 years old, but I am ready to do much. Yung gano'n lang po. So, what was my life before I became a rebate leader? Sorry po, meron akong lozenge. I used to work with a multinational insurance company for 17 years as a unit manager. I have 33 people in my team, and out of 33 people, only 4 are full-time and 29 are employed or part-timers. So, I am enjoying what I am doing with the company, sorry, Manulife. I am so focused. Wala po akong ginagawang iba. Hindi niyo ako maiimbita sumali sa kung ano man because I believe that I have to give my best by just focusing on the insurance. And then in 2011, I have a Chinese friend who invited me and my friend Cynthia, who is also here, for a lunch at Shangri-La. Eh di hasi kami na sa Shangri-La tayo. Pagdating namin sa Shangri-La, may Singaporean. Naku, may mag-e-explain sa amin. So, okay naman. We were polite, but bad trip kami. Kasi kala namin kakain lang kami. Yung pala may ambush presentation. And you know what was presented to us? Stem cell. So, first time namin nakarinig ng presentation. Eh dahil we don't have the right mindset at that moment na makinig. Kaya huwag niyong gagawin yun. Pag may presentation kayo, sasabihin niyo. Hindi yung coffee-coffee, kain-kain, yan naman pala, yung mag-pre-present ka. Say the right thing. From there, makikita niyo na kung interested or what. Okay? So, the Singaporeans started to explain to us. And ang natandaan ko lang ay dear placenta, and mahal. Yun lang yung dalawa na tandaan ko. Because the Singaporean was asking us to sell it. So I said, we cannot sell that because it's too expensive. And then my friend, the Chinese friend, dami-dami yung client sa Manulife eh. Bakit hindi mo yan mabibenta? Yes, we have a lot of clients in the insurance, but those clients can only afford 1.5 monthly, 2.5 monthly, pinakamataas na ang 5,000 monthly. Monthly lang sa insurance. Bihira yung na-provide ng 50,000, 60,000, gano'n. Bihira yung ano. So, hindi namin kaya ibenta yan, sabi namin gano'n. So, we ended up na parang masama yung loob ng kaibigan namin. And then, kami naman ni Cynthia, sabi namin, sabi ko, huwag magbenta yun, tubuan pa tayo ng sungay. Ganon. Because we didn't understand and we didn't see the value ng pag-explain niya. Kaya tayo, most of us here are leaders, ingat kayo. When you do the presentation, see to it that you do it well. Para maunawaan ang kausap nyo. Diba? So kami, hindi namin naiintindihan. Natakot pa kami, baka kami tubuan ng sumungay. So that was 2011. And then 2018, my upline there, Linda Mendoza, tapos mga mo na. We have been friends for more than 30 years. And then, she was starting to say something about stem cell. Sabi ko, stop it, alam ko na yan. Hindi siya makatuloy ng explain sa akin. Every time she will tell me, Linz, alam ko na yung muna explain yan sa akin. And she will invite me, I will not go. She will give give me links, I will not check. She will give me an invitation, I will not attend. Basta no. So that was 2018. Every time makakasama kami, pag mag-start na siya, tinatayuan ko na siya, or ayoko yun. Ganon. That was 2018. 2020, eto na. Si Caribbean friend, tumawag na. Vel, please help me. I was diagnosed with prostate cancer and I don't want to use synthetic medicine. Please send me herbal medicine from the Philippines because I know that there are a lot of herbal medicine from the Philippines. I cannot help you because I'm not using any herbal medicine. How can I recommend? But I'm going to send you a testimonial video about stem cell. Check it, you might be interested. Eh, ang totoo po niyan, hindi ko pa napanood yun. Kasi nga, hindi ko pinapansin. Pero ito pinadala ko sa Caribbean. And then, 4 minutes lang yung testimonial video natin. After that, so 5 minutes, ito na, tumawag na. I'm so impressed with the product. Sabi niya, can you link me to the people connected with this? Oh, hala, kaya tinawagan ko na si Loman Shen. Kasi kilala ko na sila, pero hindi naman ako member. Loman Shen, Mon Ondo, Nova Marie, and Linda. So silang 4. Link me to the people connected with this. So these were the 4 people. And then the friend from the Caribbean and me. So when I was seated there, that was just the first time that my mind was opened. Na first time ko lang nakinig. And habang nakikinig ako, naka-easy ako, naka-smile ako. Sabi ko, galing pala ng produkto na to, pampabata. And I was 65 years old already then. In 2020, sabi ko, kailangan ko to.
70 na siya ngayon.
Kailangan ko to. So, I am really enjoying listening to them. Kasi nga, napakatagal na panahon hindi ako nakikinig, di ba? Ayaw ko makinig. And nakaupo ako, and then I just realized ang ganda. Very, very amazing, very powerful tong product na ito. Okay. Natapos na yung Zoom. Zoom yan. This was a Zoom during pandemic. So sabi nung friend ko, katapos ng Zoom, I'd like to register. Okay, kita nyo ha, Zoom yun ha, one time lang, nire-register na agad. I want to register. Here is my credit card and here are my information. And then sabi ni Linda, sige, you will register you tomorrow. Sabi ko, bakit bukas pa? Ito na nga eh. Binibigay na yung credit card and everything. Bakit bukas pa? So we ended up the Zoom. Ito na, nag-end up na yung Zoom. Di nag-iwalay na. Tinawagan na ako. Then you need to register. Pala yun. Bago natin i-register si friend, ikaw muna. Ay, hindi ako sasabihin. Ayoko. Hindi pwede hindi ka kasabihin. Kasi may recruit ka na from an international market. I'm not interested. Nakafocus ako sa Manulife. Ayaw ko ma-defocus. I have 33 people. Gagamit na lang ako. Naku, nagkakamali ka, dadaanan ka ng pera. Hindi ako interesado. Siya na lang. Sabi ganon. O di, I was so firm with my decision, hindi ako sasali. But don't worry, I will use. Sabi lang. Tapos, sabi, next, hindi, well, kailangan sumali ka. And then the next excuse was, I don't have money. Ako, mali pala yung sinabi ko, I don't have money. Kasi, di problema, credit card natin. Bayaran mo after 30 days. Sabi gano'n, kaya magsabi na kayo wala kayong pera para tulungan kayo na nangiimbita. So, wala akong nagawa. Pero sabi ko, hindi ako sasali. Basta gagamit ako. After na mag-usap kami, ito na tumawag na naman si friend. Ano yan na, on the same day. Sabi niya, Vel, what would you advise me? Shall I get one set? One set? Or shall I get the millionaire's package? Kasi in-explain agad, so umpisa pa lang, okay, kayo matakot magpakita ng millionaire's package sa simula. Pinakita agad nila yung millionaire's package. So sabi ko, if you need it only for your prostate, get one set. And when you finish it, you buy another set. So just buy as you need it for your prostate cancer. Sabi ko gano'n sa kanya. But, ito na yung second advice ko, but, if you see the enormous potential of the business, and you have the money, and you have the time to do the business, go for the millionaire's package. Sabi ko. Tapos, tahimik ako. Ako ang tumahimik, hindi siya. Kasi narinig ko yung sarili ko, ang galing-galing ko mangaral. Pero hindi ako kasali. Parang narinig ko yung sarili ko, paano siya, may recruit ako, wala siyang upline. Parang ako yung connect niya, pero ako hindi ako sasali. So, parang na-evaluate ko yung sarili ko. Teka lang, sandali. Ano nga ba ito? So I started praying and reflecting. Started in 2011, 2018, 2020. 3 times. Noong 2011, no, baka magtaka kayo, wala pa kasing office sa Philippines. 2016 pa lang. Yung nag-present sa akin, taga Singapore. So, sabi ko, for those 3 events, hindi ko yung hinanap. Laging pumupunta sa akin yung tao to offer the opportunity. And I always turn it down. So I try to look at the people who were there, yung 4, Loman Shell, engineer sa Malaysia. Bakit ito nag-resign as an engineer? Nagpunta dito sa Philippines. Walang kakilala, hindi marunong mag-English. Dati hindi siya ganyan kagaling mag-English. Ano? Pero she gave up her engineer work and came. Anong meron sa railway? Anong meron sa portier yun? First analysis ko. Second is Nova Marie, who is in Iloilo, business development manager ng isang US company, gave up, resigned and gave up her position. So sabi ko, ang ganda-ganda na ng position nito si Nova. Pero after 4 months, nang pag-take niya ng portier, nag-resign. Anong meron? So second. And then third yan, si Linda Mendoza. Sila dalawa ni Mon. Tagal ko ng kaibigan yung mga yan. And ayaw ko sasali sa mga yan. Kasi nga nagne-network sila. Mamaya nandito, mamaya nandoon, mamaya nandito na ulit. Kung ano yung bago, nandun sila. And I don't like it. So hindi nila ako talaga invite. But this time around, I saw the changes. With Linda, parang 1.5 year pa lang siya sa industry then, and she was already earning an average of almost 500,000. And Mon Ondo, 2 years siya sa business noon. 1.5 si Linda 1 year. Mon Ondo was earning 1 million a month. Linda is 500 a month. Sabi ko, isang buwan, isang taon at isang kalahating taon, 501.5. Samantalang ako 17 years na manager na ng insurance industry. And yet, hindi ko kinakita yun. There I started evaluating. Sabi ko, Lord, this has been 3 times na dumarating ito sa aking opportunity na to. It might be the time that I take a look at it and do something about it. So that night, pray ako, and then tinawagan ko na si Linda. Sabi, okay, encode me now. So, sabi ko sa prayer ko, sabi ko, Lord, this is an opportunity that I have been declining for the past 3 times. But, meron akong joy in my heart. I want to give myself a chance to know this industry, to know this company, and to know this product. I will not be afraid because I've been living comfortably as a manager in Manulife. But I said, Lord, I will not be afraid because whatever I do, wherever I go, you are the same God who will bless me. So, yun na. So that was December 5, 2020, and the next day, December 6, yun namang Caribbean friend ko yung Oo. And you know what he got? The Millionaire's Package. Okay. Now that I am a leader already, yung pag-attend ko pa, pag-decide ko pa lang, ito po yung gusto kong sabihin sa inyo. Can I see a raise of hand for those who are first time to attend? Sino po yung first time to attend? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Ganito po yun. First time lang akong umupo, di ba, sa Zoom. But I am already very much convinced, based sa presentation ng apat, that the company is good and reliable and stable. And the product is so amazing and powerful. So, it is very important that when you decide, you have confidence in the company and confidence in the product. Because if there is a little kaunting reservation sa sarili niyo, sa puso niyo, you will not be able to influence people. Kasi lalabas yun sa aura niyo, the way you talk, the way you call your clients. Kahit kaunting reservation lamang sa puso niyo, tandaan niyo, hindi kayo makaka-influence. It must be the posture of your heart and your mind is 100% confident kayo sa company and the product. Now, if there are questions, if there are doubts in your heart, you have to ask the upline. You have to know the answers to your doubts para you can face your clients. You can influence them dahil naniniwala kayo. Okay? So, confidence in the company. And then next na ginawa ko, how can I influence people? I have to learn. Learn more about the company, learn more about the product. O kayo, tatanungin ko yung mga leaders na nakaupo dyan. Kaya nyo na ba mag-present, mag-OPP, kayo lang mag-isa? Hindi nyo kasama yung upline nyo?
Yes.
Oh, wow, yes, ha? Okay. For those who are not yet confident to do that, aralin nyo lang. Kasi, kung kayo is a leader, you have to learn. Hindi pwede nakaupo lang kayo tagapalakpak. Laging umaattend ng Monday and Thursday, but you are not trying to learn. Estudyante ulit tayo.